Hello, this is a problem on implicit differentiation. So we are given these functions to differentiate with respect to x. First thing, what type of function is this? Where we have x and y all together in the equation. This is called implicit function. Implicit function. What is an implicit function? An implicit function is a mathematical relationship involving x and y in which the y is not left isolated on one side. An implicit function is a mathematical relationship between variable x and y defined by the equation where y is not isolated on one side. So you can see that this is not like explicit that we are used to. Now, to solve this problem, one thing is very key. You must be good at your chain rule, the use of chain rule. And in doing this, what we need to do is just differentiate both sides with respect to x. So let's start where we have x cubed minus 2y cubed equals 3xy. The first step, differentiate both sides of this function with respect to x. That means you have the x of x cubed minus the x of 2y cubed equals the x of 3xy. So to differentiate x cubed with respect to x, we are familiar with that. That will give us 3x squared minus. Then here, since x is not part of this function, I want to differentiate this function. What we need to do is just differentiate this function with respect to y. That will give us 6y squared. Then you repeat the y dx. That's from the knowledge of chain rule. Equals, we do the same thing to this side. Here there is x and y, but we want to first differentiate with respect to x. When you do that, you have 3y plus, then you differentiate this function with respect to y. You have 3x, right? But you now leave the y dx as part of it. This is what makes it an implicit function. So after doing this now, what we then need to do is to make the y dx the subject of the formula. Fastest way you can do it, however you can do it. So going further here, I can say let this one be minus 6y squared, the y dx. Bring this to that side, that will be minus 3x, the y dx, equals 3y minus 3x squared. So factorizing this can become minus the y dx, open bracket, 6y squared plus 3x equals this one. I can turn it to be 3, open bracket, y minus x squared, right? So differentiate this equation by all this just to ensure that the y dx stand alone. That means I will have the y dx equals 3, open bracket, y minus x squared, all divided by negative, then this 6y squared plus 3x, close the bracket. It's easier to move further because I can turn this to the y dx equals 3, open bracket, y minus x squared, right, minus. Observing this, you see that I can factorize this using 3. That will be 3, open bracket, 2y squared plus x, right? Hence, the y dx can be finalized as equals to, when this 3 goes here, I will have y minus x squared divided by minus 2, open bracket, y squared plus x. And as such, I've been able to differentiate this function with respect to x. So I want you to try out question 2 and 3. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and as well click on like button for more educative videos like this. Find solution to question 2 and 3 and drop your answer in the comment section below. Till we come your way next time, let's keep working on mathematics.